So let's look at example 3. Here we are given a 3D model and we are asked to find the surface area of it. Now, this table, I love a table, but when I'm dealing with surface area, this doesn't help me. So I'm going to show you my way. I break the 3D shape apart and not even into a net. I'm not trying to figure out where things go. I am looking at what shape are my bases, how many bases I have, what shapes are my sides. So I see that my bases are rectangles and then or quadrilaterals, and then a quadrilateral has 4 sides, so I know, and just because purposes, I am going to make like a little longer, just so visually it looks similar. And then I can even label this. Oh, well, this is left side. This is right side. This is front. This is back. This is top. This is bottom. And that way I won't forget anything. As soon as I listed this, then if I said top and I was like, oh, well, I forgot to draw the bottom. Like I will remember there are 6 sides if I label them. And then since all rectangles, I know I'm going to find the area, which is going to be pretty easy, just base times height. Well, if I'm talking about my left side, well, aren't my left side and my right side congruent? They are. So they're going to have the same measurement. So I'm going to do a 6 by 8. Well, what's 6 by 8? It's going to give me 48 squared centimeters. Well, my left has exactly the same dimensions. It has a height of 8. These are parallel. And then I can't see that line that goes back there. But this line's also going to be 6. So these shapes are congruent. They're both going to give me an area 48. Now my front and my back, they both will be congruent as well. They'll both be the same length and the same height. So if I have a 15 by 8, my base is 15 and my height is 8, isn't that going to give me 120? So if my front is 120, then my back is also going to be 120 squared centimeters. Now I need to see what my top and my bottom is. Well, I'm thinking about my top and then the bottom that I can't really see. And I'm not much of an artist, so I'm not going to attempt to draw the bottom. Well, I know that this far over, because this is a parallel line, right? I know it's going to have a base of 15. But now I need to know how wide that is. What's my height? Well, aren't these 2 lines parallel? Doesn't that give me a height of 6? So 15 times 6, which is going to give me 90. And aren't my top and my bottom congruent? Don't they both have the base of 15 and then the height of 6? Yep. And then all I do is add them together. Use my little calculator, and I will figure out that I have a surface area of, I think it's 516 squared centimeters is my final answer.